Hello and welcome to ATLArtStudio. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a realistic eye, step by step. Let's get started. New background, new art supplies. For this video, I'll be using a massive sketchbook from String and Space. This sketchbook has really good quality paper and lots of space, and I really recommend it. I'll have everything linked down in the description. The pencils I'll be using are Faber-Castell graphite pencils. I'm going to start out by drawing the outline using a HB pencil. Right here I was trying to find something round to use so I can draw the pupil of the eye. I'd say this is pretty relatable to a lot of people, and a lot of people do this. Surprisingly, I managed to find the lens cap to one of my lenses, which fit perfectly. Once I completed the outline, I went ahead and grabbed a 7B pencil to shade in the pupil of the eye. Now using a 8B pencil, go ahead and shade the border of the pupil black. Also be sure to blend it using a brush or a blending stump, whichever one works best for you. Right now I'm just trimming and cleaning up the edges so I have a clear view of everything. Alright, now onto the more exciting stuff. We're going to go ahead and grab a B pencil, and you're going to really want to sharpen that so you have a really sharp point. Because for the next step, we're going to be drawing the lines and other small details in the pupil of the eye. You can go ahead and rotate around the paper so you get this evenly. Now with a really sharp 7B pencil, you're going to want to do the exact same thing, except for just trimming the edges of it, as well as adding some longer lines to kind of exceed into the pupil. Now on to using one of my personal favorite art supplies, the kneaded eraser. I'm going to go ahead and add some highlights and clean up the edges of our drawing. Go ahead and comment what your favorite art supplies are. So far, so good. Go ahead and grab 2 pencils now. The B pencil and the F pencil. I'm going to use this combination to shade and finish up the external parts of the pupil, or as some might like to call it, the whites of the eyes. One thing we forgot to do earlier is take the 8B pencil, and we're going to do the same as we did with the 7B pencil on the outside, on the inside as well. And we are officially done the pupil of the eye. Now we're going to use a B pencil, make sure it's really sharp, and go ahead and add some veins and other small details you would like to add into the drawing to create realism. Go ahead and continue and finish up the other side as well of the eye. And now we're going to take the 8B pencil for one last time, and we're going to draw the black and darker shades of where the eyelids are going. Also kind of blend it together so it nicely transitions into the eye, and add some shadows there. Use the blending stump or brush to do that. Now onto drawing the eyelashes. Use the same 8B pencil. And do not do what I did here. I ended up erasing it. It was too much. I erased it and added it like this, separated a bit, and add individual sections. This part might take a little bit of practice, but it'll definitely be worth it. Using the B pencil, go ahead and shade in and draw some skin around the eye so we have a background there. Also draw lines to create some detail. And now to finish the drawing, use HB and 5B pencils to complete it, and add the final touches, add highlights, and be sure to add your signature and the date, and we are done this drawing. If you have watched to the end, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy watching my content and want to see more videos like this. Also, be sure to turn on post notifications so you do not miss my latest uploads. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video.